At Ego, we value our drivers and partners in success and are committed to enhancing the driver's experience within the app. That's why we've launched a new feature, Balance Recharge, using recharge vouchers. In this video, we will learn about this feature and how to apply and benefit from it. Before we start, make sure you've downloaded the Ego Driver app from the App Store or Google Play. Step 1. Log in. If you already have an account on the Ego Driver app, enter your phone number in the designated field and press Next. Then, enter your password to access the app. If you don't have an account, you can easily register by entering your phone number, then pressing Next. You will receive a 4-digit activation code on the registered phone number. Enter the code in the designated field to complete your access to the app. Step 2. Go to the Account section, then click on Help. Step 3. Choose My Earnings and Balance Recharge from the following options, then click on Recharge Balance, Voucher or Recharge Card. Step 4. Paste or enter the recharge voucher in the designated field. After verifying the entered data is correct, press Charge My Balance. Once these steps are completed, your balance will be recharged successfully. To check the available balance after the recharge, go to the Earnings section, and the available amount will be displayed within the app. We are always ready to assist and answer your inquiries. If you have any questions, please contact us at the following number or email.